I'm partnering with Hisense here at CES. We're going to take a full look at their booth and check out some of their amazing new TV technology. I can't wait to check this stuff out. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we got the 116UX. This is the world's first RGB mini LED TV. It is massive. It's 116 inches. 116 inches is currently the largest mini LED TV on the market. This TV features RGB Local Dimming tech, which is brand new for 2025. The RGB Local Dimming powers tens of thousands of lenses, each lens containing 3 LEDs, a red, green, and blue. This is actually able to control the brightness of the television by the color. So right behind this wall, they actually had a demonstration of how that works. Essentially what this means is you're getting pure colors. You're not getting yellowish greens or reddish blues. Another really cool advantage is that it eliminates 40% of blue light emission, which is definitely more healthy for your eyes. The 116UX is powered by the HiView AI and Gen X chipset. This is an in-house chip made by Hisense, and they're able to tune that perfectly for their TVs. Now, while this does include AI, the AI here is not gimmicky. You know, we hear a lot about AI all over CES. The HiView AI engine is able to automatically optimize the picture and the sound depending on the viewing scenario, the content that you're viewing. If you're watching the game, it can automatically increase that brightness and bring on more saturation. If you're watching a movie, it can automatically make adjustments, increasing the HDR and giving you more of that cinematic effect. And it's able to do that without you having to jump into the settings and do a lot of tinkering. You really just don't have to think about it. The AI does everything for you. So not only is the 116UX a giant, beautiful display, but it also has really big sound. This includes a 6.2 multi-channel audio system, so you can get that true immersive cinematic experience from this massive TV. The 116UX is a 165 hertz refresh rate display. It also includes Google TV, so you're going to get all your streaming applications built into the television, like your Netflix, your Disney Plus, and pretty much any streaming service that you would need. And it is Wi-Fi 6E enabled, so it's going to be able to deliver that content to you seamlessly. Directly behind me, we have the 136-inch super slim micro LED. This will be the first consumer micro LED that Hisense is offering. One of the coolest features is that it is super slim, so less than an inch thin. It's going to look nice and sleek on your wall. Micro LEDs are all about pixel level control, which means you're going to get great colors, great contrast, since you can control the colors and the contrast on a per pixel basis. This TV is powered by a jaw-dropping 24.88 million microscopic LEDs. The panel is modular, so you could really go any size with this. They also have a 163-inch display right next to the 136-inch display. This TV is powered by the same HiView AI engine and Dynamic X chipset, so you're going to get all those same AI features. It's really hard to put into words or to show you through my camera, but the micro LED technology is superior, even to OLED technology, in brightness and color purity. So this TV behind me gets up to 10,000 nits of brightness. That's like face melting brightness, and the videos here don't really do it justice, but the image here just looks stunning. And when it comes to color accuracy, this TV reaches 95% of the BT 2020 color gamut, so you get nice, vibrant, accurate colors. One thing that I've noticed, especially in the demonstration that they've got going right now, is just how inky black the blacks are. You get an almost infinite contrast ratio with this television. The TV does come with a black nanocrystal coating, which takes away the reflective properties. Whenever you look at this, even if there's lights, because there are plenty of lights all over the CES booth, but you don't have that annoying reflection on this TV. It almost looks like a matte display, but it's because of that black nanocrystal coating. I think it's important to mention here that Hisense sees micro LED as the future of television. So they are fully invested into this technology, and they're really looking to bring this to the consumer level, starting with this 136-inch unit. Hisense is also committed to the overall experience. So not only do you get a big, beautiful display, but you also get a great audio experience. This includes 4 built-in speakers, and it will come with a sound bar as well. Behind me here we have the L9Q. This is Hisense's ultra bright, ultra short throw projector laser TV. To me, the one thing that really stands out about this projector or this laser TV is that you can project an image from as little as 0.18 inches away from the wall. So you're not having to do any crazy wiring. You're not having to mount this 20 feet away from your screen. You can just set this on top of a console and it's going to look great. People may not even notice that you have this TV installed. The L9Q uses Hisense TriChroma triple laser technology, which reaches 110% of the BT 2020 color scale. You get vibrant, rich colors on this display. Another thing you'll notice is just how bright this gets. There's lots of ambient light here in the booth. The L9Q reaches 5,000 peak nits of brightness. The brightest projector that I've tried at home is about 3,500 lumens, so this is even brighter than that. And even though there's all of this ambient light inside of the booth, we still get a crisp, bright image. This could truly replace your LED or OLED TV. The L9Q is able to project a 100 to 150 inch image, and it comes with an ALR screen. You've got 5 different size options. The ALR or ambient light rejection screen also helps with that brightness and being able to see this even with ambient light in the room. The L9Q features 6.2 cinematic surround sound and emits 160 watts of power for really big immersive sound. The speakers here are also tuned by industry leader Dave Valle, so you know you're gonna get great audio out of this laser TV. Over here we have Hisense's gaming projector. This is the PX3 Pro. It's designed for Xbox, and it actually has a refresh rate of 240 Hertz with a great response time, so it's perfect for gaming. As you guys can see, these dudes are having a blast playing this NBA game. Over here we have the Hisense's Canvas TV. So these are pretty cool. When you're not watching TV, you can turn your television into a piece of art. These have high mat displays, which truly gives off the canvas effect, making it look like an actual piece of art hanging on your wall. It does include 1,000+ pieces of art, so you're not having to buy those separately. It just comes with that stored in the Canvas TV. If you're limited on space and you don't just want a black mirror hanging on your wall, this is definitely a great option because not only is it a TV, but it's also your favorite piece of art. I've had a great time here at the Hisense booth here at CES. To find out more about these products, be sure to head over to the link in the description and check out their website.